Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at one of my favorite places to hang out. This is the Insurance Auto Auction here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, IAA, as we like to call it. I have not been here for probably 2 or 3 weeks. So all of this may look bad, but there are some hidden diamonds out here, and we are going to find them because I'm on the prowl for the perfect car for the channel. So let's get busy and let's take a look and see what IAA has to offer for us today. Well, check this out. Yeah, you can tell just by the huge Go Fast edition on the back there. This 2011 Nissan, as they say across the pond, 370Z will fly. Yeah, she flew and then she crashed and burned. No, she didn't. This isn't too major, but take a look at the wheel right here. Yeah, this wheel is slightly askew. This one is going straight. So we do have some alignment problems. That's probably more than an alignment shop could take care of. The other wheels look like they're in relatively good position. I gotta say, I love them. I love me these Nismo, is that how you say it right there? On Michelin? Yeah, that is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous car. And it just has the right amount of bling to me. Okay, it is blacked out, but you've got the silver, the silver, the silver, the silver. Everything else is black. I love this little touch right here. I think that's classy. It's like a little diamond on your earlobe. It just hangs perfectly. And look at the inside. Yeah, this car will fly. She will fly. I like the interior. You can see we have 2 airbags deployed. Those are, well, the one on top is going to be easy to replace. You're going to have to get another seat or find an airbag and then have it restitched inside there. But this is beautiful. I want to say about 148,000 miles on the odometer right there. And look at that. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is nice. So let's get inside and see what she sounds like, okay? Okay, this won't buff out. Some of this will. See how this kind of disappears? This piece right here won't, but you can save the bumper. It's completely savable. You're gonna have to figure out why this wheel is going instead of like that. Yep, okay, let's go inside, see what she's got. Well, she's got power, which is one thing. Ugh. Oh, this is nice. I already have a phone holder. And someone taller than me drove this car because I can't reach the clutch. I have to go all the way down here to figure out what's happening. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen here. Oh, come on. She's just almost trying to start. She really is. Come on, little girl. One more time. One more time. Do it. She's not going to do it. She is not. And my little thing that I carry with me has already been depleted. Doggone it, I wanted to hear this. We'll see if we can give her a little bit of time. Yeah, she's not going to start. All right. Well, things are heating up in here fast. This is kind of a cool little cubby hole. That's nice right there. S mode, sport mode. She'll fly. I love this. And like I said, 148,000 miles. This is a beautiful car. And it would not be too expensive to put back together because it's maybe 2 airbags, maybe a control arm or something in the back there. And I think you'd be good to go because the tire and the wheel look to be just fine. So with that being said, this is nice, but we're going to keep on keeping on. Well, there's another little speed demon for you. 2014 Maserati Ghibli. Yeah, G-H-I-B-L-I. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Ghibli. Ghibli, Ghibli, Maserati, Maserati, Maserati. Q4. Anyway, yeah, this is a beautiful purple, almost a purplish black, like a purple blackberry. I don't know, you're missing your Triton right here. But this is What kind of a loss type? It doesn't even, oh, it says biohazard. I don't see a biohazard in here. I see a windshield that has been pushed back a lot. Here's what it looks like on the outside. Here, whoa, is the inside. Okay, everything is like right in front of me. This is just a hanging. This is down. This is pushed down. Your roof has been pushed down. This is, yeah, this is something right here. She hit something hard. I mean, or something fell on top of her. Wow. Okay, you can see this has come off, the little stitching around here. This is crazy. I don't even know the mileage, and I don't think I can start it. But I just wanted to show you the damage. Even this water has gotten up under here. So it's kind of let go. And like a Mustang, like an old Mustang, this part has let go as well. So this, what happened to the quality here? Maserati, huh? I don't know. This was a good looking car back in the day. The leather seems to be nice. The wood here is nice. Well, not everything works, but there you go. We have a key, but nothing works. Let's see what the engine looks like. Let's see if we can get under the hood. Very quickly, there's your back seat. I love the color. I do. I like the stitching. I don't like this. This is loose on every door panel. It really is. That's going to cheapen the whole thing. Yeah, that's not good at all. There it is. Ah! You got your V6. But I'm sure we have a super fast engine. Turbo, is it a twin turbo? I don't know, I need to look and see, but it's a 2014 Maserati that has been Americanized, I think. Yeah, I don't know what you guys think about these cars. I think they were cool back in the day, and then something kind of just happened to them. I don't know. Let me know what you think about this. I'm just going to keep on looking. We're going to keep on looking. And finally, how about a 2020 BMW 3 Series? We're continuing with our sports car theme. I like this. What do you think about the grills? How they changed that? Remember, they were small for a bit, and then they got larger, and now they're like supersized. This is a nice car. I really like this. That is cool. Really, really cool. Okay, so something may have jumped on her. Right here. We have some damage here. You're going to need a new windshield. What else? What else? What else? The tires. Tires are good. Okay. That's nice. What are these? Centurato. xdrive, four-wheel drive. 330i. And damage over here. Nope. Nope. Yes. So something weird fell on top of her. This is cool. That's really pretty. Yeah, so something just fell on top. She should be a run and drive. She should be just perfect on the inside. Let's jump in and see. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, we have power. Finally. No active entertainment source, though. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen here. Start. Nice sound. K-Hits 106.9. Good little station here in T-Town. Look at the dash. That's nice. That is really nice. And you can get all of this stuff here. You can get your news. NPR. Very cool. Ukraine. Sports. Tesla shareholders might get a payout. Oh, how interesting. Okay, that's nice. We can rewind. We're going to control it with this, which is cool. Look at that. Oh, this is a nice place to be. USB port. You got two cup holders here. Media. I'm just loving this right here. Bluetooth, mobile devices, personalized menu. Oh, this is cool. Very nice navigation. And I like how they've kind of tried to incorporate it into the dash. I don't like it where they just glue the iPad right on top. Can we adjust this? This is kind of nice too. Yeah. Oh. Well, if you don't want to look over there, you can look right here. Almost a half a tank of gas. And the engine sounds pretty good. This is a weird... Did I get a splinter? I think I just got a splinter from something out here. Ow. It's very vinyl-y feeling. This is very weird. It doesn't feel like really super expensive leather. It's got a really kind of a plastic feel to it. I'm trying to get this splinter out of my thumb with my teeth. Oh. Twin power turbo, but she is... Well, she's been sitting for a while, long enough for spiders to make their home there. She's really kind of Huh. Yeah, that's kind of weird to me. So this is nice, and it wouldn't be too expensive. Well, other than your roof. I mean, you get a new hood, a new windshield. Well, what happened here? This whole thing's been pushed in. Look at that. That's probably an inch down from the edge. Ah! So that's something else to be addressed. Yeah, so this just got a whole lot more expensive. Yeah, and she's still rocking. She's still rocking back and forth. So we continue looking. Okay, we're just gonna hang out in here and cool down a little bit for September, last week of September. It is hot here in Oklahoma. Wow. So as the BMW keeps me cool, I'm gonna start looking for other cars because none of these three just seem to resonate with me. I mean, you know. So we will continue, folks. Thanks for watching. We're back with another walk around video very, very soon. I have more videos where I get my hands dirty. We have the 500,000-mile Escalade. We have new videos on that, and we have new videos coming out on the Wagon Twins. Two Mercedes E320 wagons that have been very, very popular. So stay tuned for that, all right? Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you again very, very soon. Very, 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 very soon.